Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have been reaching out to me asking how much it costs to come to Poland and if I would recommend coming to study or for work. Now personally, I always advise that if you're coming to Poland or to anywhere in Europe in general, come to study first. And in this video, I'm going to break down how you can apply to study in Poland by yourself without having to pay an agent. So if you're thinking of moving abroad for your studies, then this video is for you. If at the end of this video you find these tips helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share this video to that someone who you think might need to see this. Someone who you think is planning on going abroad to further their studies. This would really be helpful. So let's get right into it. The very first thing you need to do is look up the school you want to study at. You can easily do this online. Just go to Google and search for universities in Poland. You can search by cities depending on your budget. For example, Warsaw, the capital city, bigger and a bit more expensive. And then you have Kraków, Poznań, Katowice, Wrocław, and even Lublin. Check out schools in these places. Compare the tuition fees, compare the cost of living, and see which one fits your budget. Once you found the school you like that fits well into your budget, don't wait. Send them an email. Ask about their admission, requirements, and available intakes. Schools in Poland have two major intakes. The spring intakes, which is sometimes in March, and the fall intake, which is in October. Once you email them, they usually reply with the requirements or the list of documents that you need. Now let's talk about the documents. If you're coming for a master's program, you will need university transcripts, statement of results, or your degree certificate. If you have the three, it's even better. If you're coming for your bachelor's, you will need your O-level results, be it your NECO, your WAEC results, or your GC. Also, a statement of results from your school. Very important, all your academic documents must be authenticated in Nigeria before they can be used anywhere abroad. That means the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This authentication means that your documents are valid for use outside of Nigeria. And should you require any assistance with any of these, feel free to leave a comment and I always reply to my comments. After that, you may also be asked to legalize those documents. This is not always compulsory, but some schools or embassies might request for it, so it's better to be prepared. You will also need your passport data page. Make sure it is still valid for the duration of your intended stay. Once you send your documents, the school will process them, and if you qualify, they will send you an offer letter. The offer letter would include your tuition fee and the payment details. You must pay your tuition fee, or at least part of your tuition fee, before you are able to get an admission letter. And don't forget, always keep your payment receipt safe. You will need it later for your visa application. Once you have your admission letter, you are officially done with the school process. What next? You will then use the admission letter as part of your visa application document. Other important documents for your visa includes admission letter, the proof of payment, which is also the receipts, the offer letter, and of course, accommodation contract. It is worth to note that some schools offer accommodation, but please ensure that the accommodation is paid for 100%. If you need any help with this part, I'm also available to help. That is it, guys. This is how you can apply to Polish universities all by yourself without having to use an agent. No agents, no stress, no extra fees. In my next video, I will be talking about the embassy requirements and everything you need to know about applying for your Polish student visa. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who's planning to study abroad. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. It's your boy, Bakot of Poland. And I'll see you in the next video. But until then, bye for now. Cheers.